Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are. Today is January 31st, 2019. Boy, how time flies, huh? Today is the last day of the first month of the new year. Well, let's take a look at the market midday update here. Start off with the internal. As you can see, the market opened up pretty much in a positive territory. The up-down volume been in the positive area all sessions so far, and in the New York Stock Exchange is running about 1.72 in favor of the up volume. The Nasdaq is 1.78, and the Russell 2000 at 1.85. These are up-down volume ratio. And as you can see on the advanced decline in the New York Stock Exchange, it opened up pretty much in the neutral area, and then it shot up above the 1500. More advanced over the decliner. Right now it's kind of hovering around 1167 advanced over decliner in the New York Stock Exchange, and in the Nasdaq is hovering around 769 advanced over decliners. And in the tick area, we see a cumulative tick also been positive so far in the session. In the New York Stock Exchange did have a minus 800 tick on the New York, but so far it's pretty much in a positive territory. And also in the Nasdaq, been in the running a positive cumulative tick. And if you take a look at the Emini SP500 future, basically open in range and open drive. Came up pretty much took out the overnight high, put in the IB high, and then came back and test the IB high and also test the overnight high, and then push up to a high of the day and came back. And right now it's basically testing the IB high once again. And in the Nasdaq is pretty much open drive, went and open pushed to the overnight high and put in the IB high, came back and tested a few times, and then pushed to a high of the day. Right now, once again, it's also similarly to the ES, the NQ is also testing the IB high. Right, and looking at the daily candlestick chart here, remember we were saying that basically was looking at this zone here, right? The 2621 and 2675, and we were watching for this thing to push up. So right now basically looking at 2712.25. There's a high volume here somewhere around 2725, so I just want to keep an eye on. And the next zone, basically we're looking at the chop somewhere around 2700 and 2745, right? So if we take a look at the volume profile, here I got the got this zone here, and right, we're basically looking at this, right, and the chop, and right now it's pushing up. So looking for a move up to the possible move up to the 2800, right? So we'll see how this thing hold up, sneaking into the zone here, because right now it broke this balance area and came up and maybe try to reestablish balance in this balance zone. Okay, and then looking at the market profile. All right, the market profile, let me shift this over. So if we take a look at the market profile, once again, essentially we basically was looking at the break of this zone, and right now we're basically looking at the coming up into this zone here toward the 2800 up there. Okay, so it's a little bit above the chart there. And if we take a look at the daily profile, we can see starting off on the market profile, we do see a low high. All right, and earlier there was some single print here that got filled. Right now we have some single print here. We might see this get partially filled today, coming back down to test at yesterday's pull high, and could see this pull high get taken out, and there is a high of the day back in December 7 that is untouched. So we might see that get tagged today here on a on another push because right now the market is pulling back, but in the volume profile we are seeing a bit of a pull high, right, and also a pull low here. Okay, so basically looking for this thing to come back and possibly retest the overnight high at 26.9175, and might even get back into the range a little bit before we get a little bit of a bounce back up and possibly take out this this high, this pull high, and put in a new high of the day. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at for today. Hopefully your day is going well, and if you like this video, click the thumbs up to give it a like. If you're not a subscriber on my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and make sure to click on that bell icon so you will get notification whenever I do a live video or whenever I upload a new video to my onto my channel. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And good luck on your trading.